Good morning children, welcome to our third class social session. That is that we have to learn about that last session. The four members, friends are going to share their food. That is different types of food. They have to brought different types of food where that areas growing there are no producer in that food. They have to brought. Now we have to learn about that. In that place they need to place which food grain they have to growing. They have to habituated to eat the food, take as a food. Now we have to go to that food habits in different areas. Different areas have different types of food habits, and that northern side they have to eat chole and eat chapati, take ghee, and they have to eat different spices food, and they not prefer to rice to eat too much. In south side we have to interested to eat the rice more. Because of that in this place the more rice grains are growing most producer in that India. Which one? South side is more rice producing more. Then these people, those who are living in this area, that people take as more large amount of rice, and as well as they have to related with the rice they have to prepare their different dishes. Yes. Now in the different areas the food habits of people from different regions depend upon the food grain, food growth in that area. It's a climate. ఆ ప్లేస్ లో ఉండే క్లైమేట్ ఆధారంగా ఏ రకమైన పంటలు పండుతాయో ఆ టైప్ ఫుడ్ ని అక్కడ ఉండే వాళ్ళు ఎక్కువ అమౌంట్ లో ఫుడ్ గా తీసుకుంటారు. రైస్, వీట్, లైక్ దట్ డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ food grains are there. No, in that depend on their climate and their area they have to producing the which type of food they have to taking as a food of daily. That people prefer to eat rice in southern state in India. People to eat south side because that rice producer heavy is there. They have interested to eat that rice. Such as Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana also. Such as Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Telangana also eat more rice because the people belonging to the eastern states such as Assam, Bengal eat rice. Yes, eastern side also like Assam, Bengal, that peoples also interested to eat rice because of they also produce more rice crops. And that which one that people of Kerala consume more of fish and coconut. Yes, the state of Kerala is that more producing coconut trees because of coconuts are coming from that areas like Konasima in Andhra Pradesh and Kerala and the Western Ghats. That coconut plants are grow more and more. In that climate is suitable to grow to the coconut plants. In that Kerala state also more consuming by the coconut plants and fish. Because of that the seashore and water flows nearby the livelihood, near the surroundings of those people are living by the near that water flows very well means they are interested to farming, fishing and the plants of coconuts. They are consumed with their what they are getting from the area. They have to prepare the different kinds of fish dishes. From that they are using to cook the curries with the oil of coconut oil only, and they have to prepare that different variety food of coconut related, and they have to take little much amount of rice, and they also used for that daily life in fish and coconut only. Because of their farming they are producing more and more. In that people in Rajasthan eat rotis and made of jawar. Because of Rajasthan state have more producing for jawar, they have to eat to roti to make the jawar flour only. while those living in North and Central India eat rotis and puris and as to wheat is grown there. Yes, in that north side and Central India, people eat roti and puris because made from it wheat. Because of that place is more grow wheat crops. Then they have to prepare with wheat flour like chapatis, rotis and puris. They have to prepare their different kinds of dishes of roti and wheat flour. And we have the wide variety of food habits in India. Wide variety of food habits in India. Because of different types of crops are cultivated across the country. And this provides the people with a variety food items choose from. Yes, we have wide variety of food items. Because of different states, people are eat different types of variety food. Because of that, they depend on their climate, which their place, the what producing there, they have to do the variety food of there. And they have to eat interested in that different types of food. And that one more thing I will show to you one pictures. See, the picture is that rotis. It is that roti where they are eating Rajasthan peoples. They have to make the jawar grains, then jawar flour, they have to prepare the rotis. Here this one rice, that Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh peoples are eaten to rice more. Coconut, the Kerala state have that consume the more fish and coconuts. This is that about that consume that activities that I will show. See, make a list of food items eaten by your friends and related this with the food grains, the regions. Note down your observations and discuss with the students. Up to here we have to learn about that food habits in different areas. Now we have to go into different food items. Food habits in animals. See, look here. Food habits in animals. That just like people eat different types of food, animals and birds also have different food habits. For examples, some eat grains, some eat fruits, some eat plants, while others eat meat, milk and honey. Yes, just like we also are eating different types of food depend on our climate. And just like the animals also eating different kinds of food habits. That is, like example, cow eat grass, birds eat grains, tiger eat flesh of other animals, cat drink the milk, and squirrel eat the nuts. These are the different types of animals also eat their different types of food habits. I will show to the pictures to you. See, here one picture is that cow eating grass. What is that? Cow taking as a food as grass. Birds are eating grains, food grains like maize, cereal, pulses. They have to eat. And tiger eat flesh of other animals. Tiger, lion, cheetah, they have to take flesh of other animals. And a cat is drinking milk. What is that? Cat was drinking milk. And squirrel eats. Squirrel is a small bird, a small animal. They have to take as a nuts. And one more, parrot is eating fruits. Yes, we know parrot and parakeet eat fruits. That we have to know that the different food habits also have in different types of animals. And we have to learn about small topic is that eating together. Eating together means, what is that? Have you all meals taken at your home? Do you all sit together and eat or do your family members eat different times? See, in our some houses they have to eat at once. One time together sit and they can take. So in these days, so many members going to work now, then they have to take in the night time, they have to sit and they have to discuss one place and they are taking the food. See, Can you spot any difference between two pictures? I will show some pictures. Let us we saw how meals are eaten at Ramos and Deepak's house. I will show to the picture. See, first picture is that Ramos house. First picture, just you observe. This is the Ramos house. And another picture is, are you seeing now? Are you see this? This is Deepak's house. This is Deepak's house. This is Ramos house. See, can you spot any difference between the two pictures? Can we see the Deepak's mother is serving food to all the other family members. She will eat after others are done. While in the Ramos house, everyone is enjoying the meal and including the mother. See, observe the picture. This is Ramos house. This is Deepak's house. While Deepak's house is that they are eating lunch or they taking meal, the mother will serve it to the people. In that Ramos house, they are eating together. They are serving each other and they are taking meal and they are enjoying. They are discussing. See, it is important for all the members of a family to eat together. This is because during such times they can bond with the others. Yes, that is that they have in the Ramos house, they are sharing their serving the food each other. In the Deepak house, mother will serve to the all family members and they are taking. In the Ramos house, they are happily eating to the enjoying to the lunch or dinner. They are taking meal. They are discussing and enjoying the tasks. And this is the very important for all the family members together. This because during the such times, then they can bond with each other. Various occasions such as festivals, birthdays, marriages and the other family functions also provide an opportunity to eat together. The meals organized during the occasions. The meals organized during these occasions help the family and its extended members to meet and talk each other. This help us to promote family unity. This is help us to unity. What is that? During the festival times they have to together form a house. They are discussing to meet the family members. It is a bond to help us to promote family members. Look at Sanu's families, all families. Annu's families is all the family members including the extended family. Are they having in the lunch together in the occasion of her birthday? See, this is that Annu's families. They are meet in that occasion of that birthday of her. They are meet, eat lunch and they are taking lunch together. They have to promote their family members. This is called family unity. We have to do during the festival times and important birthdays, marriages. We have to meet our family members. We have to take as meal during these times. This is the very important because they helps to promote the family unity. Okay na children? Thank you. This is that third class social lesson. Next session we have to learn about the different types of food habits. You must buy the textbooks. Thank you.